I'm about to show you why we have the most powerful stock market analysis technology in the world. Are you ready to see this? Because I think this is going to blow your minds. Let's check it out. We're going to take a quick look at what you're going to find at trade ideas that you're not going to find at any other vendors. Let me show you. So here's all the things that you can see in real time, but instead of just scrolling through the list, we have what's called categories. So let me show you candlestick patterns. Take a look at this. You can look at all these and subscribe to them in real time. Tell me what other vendor you can do this at. What about geometric patterns, pattern recognition, double tops, inverted head and shoulders? Okay. There's just so many things that you can do. The moving averages. Take a look at this. Crosses above, crosses below. This is why you ought to really take a deep look at trade ideas. Thank you.